Hello everyone, welcome to KV Maths. Today let's discuss trigonometry part 4. So today we need to learn trigonometry table. So this is trigonometry table. So let us increase the size. So see it. Sine 0 degrees is 0. Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degrees is 1. So if you see this table, you may think that it is very difficult to learn this table, but I will tell you in a simple manner, very simple manner. So what you need to do is first by heart all sine values. By heart all sine values. If you by heart sine values, then it will be very easier. See, first by heart all sine values. So see, what is so why? So what is sine 0 degrees? It is 0. So what is sine 30 degrees? It is 1 by 2. So what is sine 45 degrees? It is 1 by root 2. What is sine 60 degrees? It is root 3 by 2. And what is sine 90 degrees? It is 1. So first learn this. Okay, read with me. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 1 by 2. Sine 45 1 by root 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is 1. So now write cos. Cos 0 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. Cos 45 degrees. Cos 60 degrees and cos 90 degrees. So if you know the sine values, you will get the values of cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. So cos 0 and tan 90 are equal. Cos 30 and sine 60 are equal. And cos 45 and sine 45 are equal. Cos 60 sine 30 are equal. And cos 90 and sine 0 is equal. So sine 90 and cos 90 is equal. So if you observe in the table, as you can see, here 1 is there and here 1 is there. Here root 3 by 2 is there and here root 3 by 2 is there. Here 1 by 2 is there and 1 by 2 and 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 1 by 2 and 0 0. So what can you say? Sine 90 equals to cos 0 and sine 60 equals to cos 30. Sine 45 equals to cos 45 and sine 60 equals to cos what? Sine 60 equals to cos 6. Sine 60 equals to cos 30. So wait, I am confused. Wait. Here it will be 30. So sine 30 equals to cos 60. Yes, no? And sine 0 equals to cos 90. So am I right? See this. So with the help of this, write cos values also. Hope you are understanding the concept. So let me tell in Telugu, then I think you can understand it better. Today my writing is somewhat clumsy. So friends, మీరు చూసుకున్నట్లయితే సైన్ రివర్స్ ఈస్ కాస్. అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, సైన్ 90 అండ్ కాస్ 0 ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సైన్ 60 అండ్ కాస్ 30 ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సైన్ 45 అండ్ కాస్ 45 ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సైన్ 30 అండ్ కాస్ 60 ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సైన్ 0 అండ్ కాస్ 90 ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సో మీరు చూసుకున్నట్లయితే రివర్స్ లో వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడేమో 0, 1/2, 1/√2, √3/2 అండ్ 1 వచ్చాయి కదా. ఇదే రివర్స్ లో ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ 1 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ √3/2, √3/2 అండ్ ఇక్కడ 1/2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా 1/2 అండ్ 1/2, సారీ 1/√2 అండ్ ఇక్కడ 0. అంతే, సింపుల్. So hope you understood. మీకు ఇంకా అర్థం కాకపోతే write in the live chat. I'll explain you in the next class. So in that way, if you learn sine values, you can easily learn cos values also. Hope you understood. So friends, now let's learn tan values. How to get tan values? I'll tell you. If you know sine value, then you will definitely know cos value. And if you know sine value, you will definitely know tan value. And if you know sine value, you will definitely know cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So this is what I want to say. If you know the sine value, you will definitely know all the trigonometric ratios. So as we know, we have discussed that sine theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. Yes, no? We have discussed in the last class how sine theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. So in the same manner, what is the value of sine 0? So sine 0 by cos 0 equals to tan 0. అవుతుందా అవ్వదా చెక్ చేయండి. So how much is the value of sine 0? Sine 0 is 0 by cos 0 is 1. 0 by 1 equals to 0 by anything is 0. So tan 0 is 0. So friends, now see sine 30 by cos 30. So how much is the value of sine 30? It is 1/2 by cos 30 is √3/2. So by 2 get cancelled and the answer is 1/√3. Is it correct? Yes, tan 30 is 1/√3. And now check tan 45. So tan 45 equals to sin 45 by cos 45. So what is the value of sin 45? It is 1/√2 by how much is the value of cos 45? It is also 1/√2. So 1/√2, 1/√2 get cancelled and 1 is the answer. So tan 45 equals to 1. Is it correct? Yes, tan 45 equals to 1. So now check sin 60 by cos 60. So sin 60 by cos 60. Will it be equals to tan 60 or not? Check it. How much is sin 60? It is √3/2 by cos 60 is 1/2. So 2 get cancelled. So it is √3. Now check whether tan 60 is √3 or not. tan 60 is root 3. So now check sin 90 by cos 90. So sin 90 by cos 90, that is equals to sin 90 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. So if you observe, the denominator of the any fraction is 0, then it is not defined. As we know, it is not defined. So not defined. So hope you understood. To find the tan value, we need to know the formula, that is sin theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. Simple. And we know that sin theta equals to 1 by cosecant theta and cos theta equals to 1 by secant theta and tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. As we know, no? I have told you this in first part, I think. So we can say sin and cosecant are reciprocals and cos and secant are reciprocals and tan and cot are reciprocals. So what is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0 equals to find the cosecant, what we need to do? So it is like this, no? In another way we can write it as, I will tell you, in another way we can write it as cosecant equals to 1 by sin. We can write like this, no? And secant equals to 1 by cos and cot equals to 1 by tan. We can write like this, no? So to find the value of cosecant, let us take any of the value from these, or even 0, including 0. So any of the value, any value you can take. Suppose let's take 30. So cosecant 30 equals to 1 by sin 30. Yes, no? So how much is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2. Hope you understood. Why is 1 by 2? Cos sin 30 equals to 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 equals to, it will be 2. Yes or no? It is 2. So friends, the only thing you need to learn is what means, let me tell you. First of all, you need to learn that tan equals to sin theta by cos theta. You need to learn that formula, and then you need to learn cosecant equals to 1 by sin theta. Okay, now check for 0 degrees. So cosecant 0 equals to 1 by, how much is sin 0? 1 by sin 0 equals to 1 by sin 0 is 0. So it is not defined. Yes, no? Not defined. So already we have checked for 30 degrees and now let's check for 45 degrees. So cosecant 45 equals to 1 by, how much is sin 45? It is 1 by root 2. When changing it into the numerator, it will be reciprocal. So it is 1 into root 2, that is equals to root 2. Is it correct? Yes, it is root 2. So now check for cosecant 60 degrees. So how much is sin 60 degrees? Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So when changing into the numerator, it will be reciprocal. So 1 into 2 by root 3. That is equals to 2 by root 3. Correct? No? Yes, it is correct. So now check for sin 90 degrees. So cosecant 90 degrees equals to 1 by sin 90 degrees is 1. So it is 1. Hope you understood. In the same manner, Do for cos and tan also. Do for cos and tan. It is a homework for you today. Do the same for cos and tan. So friends, let's go into the exercise. Let's change the ink of the pen. Which color? This will be nice. So exercise 11.2. First sum is sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. This is what they have given. So table is beside of us. So check what is sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 also 1 by root 2, that is equals to 2 by root 2. You can either leave like this, or what you need to do is 2 by root 2 into rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Hope you know what is rationalization. It is in last year 9th class first lesson, I think. Yes, in first lesson. Now multiply both numerator and denominator with denominator. So what is denominator? It is root 2 by root 2, that is equals to 2 root 2 by root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 gets cancelled and the answer is root 2. So now let's do the next sum. Second sum. Second sum is cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees. So what is cos 45 degrees? Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 by what is secant 30 degrees? Secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 degrees. So cosecant 60 degrees also 2 by root 3. So it is equals to 1 by root 2 by 4 by root 3. So while transposing the denominator into numerator, it will be reciprocal. So 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. So that is equals to root 3 by 4 root 2. Hope you understood. So let's do the next sum. Third sum. Sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. So friends, first find what is sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60. So what is cosecant 60? It is 2 root 3. 2 by root 3 by what is cot 45? So cot 45 is 1 plus cos 60. So wait, okay, cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus secant 30. So secant 30 is is 2 by root 3. As you can see, it is the numerator and the denominator is same. So equals to 1 is the answer. So friends, thank you for watching. And thanks for all the love and support from your side. And this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me through WhatsApp if you have any doubts. And still, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the live chat or in comments. Thank you.